Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to save camera presets for your DJI OSMO Action 3. So let's start with adjusting the preset, and right here I'm entering Pro mode. Just change some random settings like this. So now we want to save it to use it later. Scroll down your toolbar, click on this icon, and here save to C1, confirm. Now you should see the mode right here, and if you want to use it, simply click on it, and then you should have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.